we on going to Mahoney?
Yeah. We're on Mahoney.
Okay. This one was on yesterday, and today is the last day, and it's been on for an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, some of these it's like, they just put the address and the times, and sometimes not even that. So, oh yeah, there it is.
Roll the windows down.
Okay.
Whoops.
Wrong ones.
Okay. How much for the bike?
30.
Not much meat left on the bone.
Nope. So it takes me a while to clean them up, get them all lubed up and ready for the next guy. Working condition. I don't like to sell them like they're not. I like these things.
Yeah.
I don't have a brass one. Do I want that one?
I don't see why not. It's not like you won't put potpourri in it and stick it on a heating vent somewhere in the house.
Yeah. Like this isn't old.
That's okay.
Or anything, but yeah. I like them.
Yeah.
Hi. That's pretty.
Yeah, it is. Those prints look vintage.
Maybe, yeah.
To just reach.
Bride and groom salt and pepper.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice. It's very
It's
soft.
women's.
It's very soft.
Want to try it on?
No,
Or is the price too much?
I don't love it.
Yeah.
I have one very similar.
Yeah, you do, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's good. Put some incense in there or something.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Some outdated software.
Yeah. 16 years old.
That's probably still good. There's some
There's another big juicer.
lids and
Glass juicer.
oh, it's not a big one.
Oh,
It's just a regular size. Is your Tupperware?
yeah.
Nothing I need in there. Okay.
Okay. Thanks,
Thank
you
you.
too.
Just walked into the tree.
Did you? Nice. Sorry I missed that.
Yeah, I bet you are.
I am.
This one is multi-family. Today's the first day, and it just started 15 minutes ago.
Okay.
And it's on tomorrow and Sunday.
Wow.
Yeah. So 3 days makes me think there's lots of things.
Yeah. Oh, so this is 46.
This is where we've been.
So 43. 43 is right there, but it doesn't look like there's a garage sale.
Oh. So maybe they just put 43 just to...
Unless the garage sale for 43 is in the back.
Well, the garage is right there. Oh, no, they are.
Yeah, they are parking there, so we'll go here and maybe
Yeah, see if they open the door.
maybe they'll be setting up by the time we're done.
Yeah. They're supposed to open at 11. So.
They're about 15 minutes late.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the bargain barracks.
Yeah. Oh, this is
Sure.
free. I want that.
Okay.
I bought the Harley toque thing.
Oh,
here.
okay. Okay, the Santa hat?
Yeah.
In front of the box. It's 25 cents a box.
Oh my gosh, that's so heavy.
Oh, it looks really thick.
Yeah, EP steel, but yeah, it is super thick. But
Cool. Yeah, we don't need it.
no, it's nice though. If that had been sterling rim, I would have bought it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at these little things.
Aww.
1967.
Oh. Are they really?
Little dress shoes.
50 cents. Yeah, get those. And what are these? What's this?
That'll look great in your guys' house.
The shoes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sherry's been following you.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh, that's
good.
good. Thank you.
Oh, yes, I remember.
Oh, yeah, the dog.
The puppy now.
Yep. Can I pet you, sweetie?
Okay.
Oh,
I'll make sure nobody else
yes.
takes it.
Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Yes.
Who's a good boy.
Oh, yeah. Rub your tummy. Are those 50 cents?
Yeah, 50 cents.
Good. Good.
But no, yeah, it's been fun watching. Perfect.
I'm glad you're watching.
Yeah.
We appreciate that. Thank you.
And it kind of gets my fix. It gets the little fix of the old antiques because like I said, we grew up as teenagers with Dad picking antiques, and
Our house was packed.
it was packed.
You name it, we had it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll check it out.
Thanks.
you
Thanks
guys.
for watching. Those are
Pop
cute.
these in the truck.
Ah, just throw them in here.
Okay.
Yeah, hold my hand to cross the street.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Morning.
These things start earlier and earlier.
Look at this little face.
Oh, yeah. Is it wood or leather?
Wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you should.
It's a
See
nice
this?
set.
We see this pattern a lot.
Do we?
At sales, yeah. Oh my gosh, these are light up.
2008.
Maybe not
They must
anymore.
be charged.
Oh.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, I see. Push.
Oh, they're on again.
Okay.
It's an old thermos.
It is. Big one. Oh, that's real fur. That's nice. Wonder how much that is. I don't think those are old.
No?
No. Benny painted that.
Hey. Good job, Benny.
Good old Benny. Look at this.
Oh, look at that little tiny thing.
Feel how heavy it is.
Monster High. Yeah, well, it's a real skateboard.
It's heavier than I thought it would be.
Small.
Yeah, very small.
Crowder oil. 101 Crowder.
I don't know
Oil.
what that's all about. I don't know
How
what
many
you.
Crowders does it take to make that much oil?
I don't. A lot, probably. I'm gonna say a lot. I think I need one of these for up in the loft
Okay.
because the paneling's dark. I like to have these dark.
Okay.
Can't remember if I need one or not. It won't be very expensive, so. There's another tiny little painting.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of like that big one. It kind of reminds me of it.
Yeah,
Same
sort of.
colors, yeah.
Did Benny do it?
No, I don't think so. Benny and the Jets. Maybe the Jets did that one. Kewpie. Oh, these are old.
I saw them when we walked into the garage.
Feel how they're plastic.
Yeah.
What about in this one? But what do we do with them?
Sell them.
I don't know how good they would be to sell.
This guy's arms move.
Yeah. They're old, but I just don't know, like, their actual Kewpie.
Yeah. Don't know.
Because this one's Japan. This one's not a Kewpie, and this one has Japan on it. So I don't know if Kewpies are from Japan or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think they would say Kewpie.
Probably somewhere, even on the bottom of the foot or something.
Yeah. VHS tapes? How many do you need?
I've got all that I need already.
Me too. Oh, that is so soft. This reminds me of King Julius, the stripey.
Yeah. It's not fur
King
though.
Julian. No, it's not. This one's very soft too. Oh, this is vintage. Look at that one.
Yeah.
That's really vintage. That's cool. Although, what's with this green? I guess it depends how much it is, because Bobby would probably like that even.
No price on it? There's price on some of these things.
Yeah. But not everything, I don't think. Who do we... There was a girl here, I don't know where she went. No. I guess we'll ask or whatever. I don't know. Do I have enough jackets? Yeah. I have a couple of things. I don't know how much you want. And then there's a black leather jacket hanging there. I don't know how much you want or wanting for these things.
How about 10 for the works?
I'll have to look closer. How much for these two?
A couple bucks.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go grab the jacket.
Yeah.
Leave the hanger.
Yeah, leave the hanger. Thank you.
Must be a good garage sale. I see you guys here. I'm Terry's.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't recognize you.
just
It's
gonna
been a
follow
while
you
since
guys
we
up.
met.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good.
How about yourself?
Oh, we're doing good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched that one with you. You did with Ben. That was awesome.
Yeah, the ribs with Ben there. Yeah. Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, you too.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah. I was thinking
She sure looks like her dad. Terry looks just like him.
Now watch out, Kirkland.
Okay.
things.